to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia is replying to 13, as 13 had put up a picture of her, showing the inside of her mouth. Marcia is saying that she had a feeling many, many years ago, and she has sinus problems as well. Now, she's saying that that is very petty because people would go as far as that to basically try to find something to show. And she said that, she's addressing the issue and putting 13 in her place as she would, want to put her in her place. So, guys, you have to go and catch the video to see what Marcia has to say to 13 and in general. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, lovelies, have yourselves a beautiful day.
Plans. Want to set for me. You know, she say it's not working. Till you run out of lyrics, you know, see. You see, plan you set for me never work. Want to set for me out there. You know, say never work. Huh? Want to see that? Never, no, now work. The plan on the set for me, let's say now work. Where should I do? Come take your tongue and clean it out of your job that. I don't know where I take picture with it a chauffeur. I mean, come on. Look at and them the people there. And them the people that only depend on social media and create content for you. Yeah? Them the people there only act on social media and create content for you. That don't make no sense. Them the people there. I bunny bun them. Because they want to know which part me live, and if they do find them live, they can call here and get the information. Because this is a hotel here, this is a hotel and this is a place where me there rent. And it's nowhere to play with. Them can't call here and play no trick. Them can't call and say nothing, so them losing. Because this is an establishment here, them can't call and them can't call it and trick them and tell them, say, Marcia this and Marcia that. Because anyway, me go, me make sure so me put strict order in the computer and order anything anybody down there when them call. So them can't play no games to call the body and tell the body like when them happy if you win them games. So them losing. So we come down and put a show bugu in a nose. I wouldn't have bugu in a nose. Who don't have bugu in a nose and live in America? You tell me the one person right now live in America or live in a cold country when I blow. And first of all, them have one bacteria going around where people catching right now. We are send people in the hospital for water in the lungs and congested and heart and water and blowing and cold. Me have a friend who take down our whole household the other day in Florida. The doctors, them and nurses, everybody sick. Big up on yourself from that hospital. I wanna have it. What you expect me to have in my nose hole? Gold and diamond? If me have sinus and me live in a cold country at 25 degrees out of those Siri just tell me a while ago. 25 degrees. You both here. Look where you resort to. Look at just to show you how desperate a person is. And how you use the bottomless pit tile it. Just for show you're desperate. Where that I could do? When you take me nose, when you take my face and put on a reel and put on your picture. I like me more. Yeah, idiot. You's a fool. Who live in the United States right now who don't have mucus in their nose? I have it at one point. Which somebody right now can go to the door and you go to the door and walk and you know see your nose start drain? Everybody knows that me have sinus problem. So typically, you will find stuff in my nose if I'm blowing. You stupid bitch. And you come on boat here, take picture. The woman draw up my face, draw up my nose and a point pan arm, and a put in a mouth a point pan teeth. Then how much people in America don't have filling? Me have one filling in my mouth when me done over 20 years, almost from me 19 years old or 20 years old. Me have one filling in my mouth. And you a point out of me a rotten teeth. Me not have no rotten teeth. What you want to prove? You just, we are trying to say, that ain't gonna work. Bitch ain't gonna go work. Go live your life, cause me sure living mine. When I wake up in the morning, I get my suite. What you call, this is what you call a suite. This is not a regular room. This is a suite. You understand? Me have furniture in here, long couch and everything. Computer, desk, table, type, everything. This is a suite. This is what you call living, honey. Me go downstairs, my breakfast is ready. Go live your life. Me have me dream and swimming pool for exercise. Bitch, go live your life. You would have love to get 1 day of my payment to me paying so. Right now. If you go pay your bills them. And go buy food name. And you did about here take picture draw people nose with a little mucus in it and a pine panty. Look, you know, there's nothing where you can cuss me, tell me. Anything you cuss me, tell me, me defeat you, bitch. You could have cussed me, called me any name where you want to call me. You're not winning me. All you come on social media, I repeat the same thing. I repeat the same thing and I repeat the same thing. I repeat the same thing over and over like a fucking broken record. You have nothing on me, bitch. Nothing. People must run you. People must run you. You're the bottomless mongrel dog. You 13. Use a toilet. Use a sewer pipe. You only let the sewer truck to come pick you up now. You're full of mucus. You're full of parasite. You're full of shit. Them just need to come pick you up. And can't go dump you in our no man's land. You're nobody. What you have to tell me? What you have to tell me? Bitch, you can't call me homeless because me not one of finest establishment. I pay 2 times the money that when me I pay when me used to live before. 2 times more the money when me I live before for my living when me I live for the winter. So bitch, try me. Rewind and come again, dirty girl. 13. Rewind and come again. Check up this Ross and see. 1 month and a half. But go make that blood clot money. Go make you hot your foot, your fucking head and swell up your foot bigger. I'm a lifestyle, I'm living a mad you dirty ass. You come call me, I can't name me now walk. Now you come a job nose, I take like a mucus in a nose and I point to a filling in my mouth. You're lucky. You're lucky if you can't afford it. Bitch, you can't afford it. You can't afford filling? You can't afford to go to dentist? The amount of rotten teeth when a matter of fact not in their paid up teeth in your head. You can't even afford fucking dentist much as go put in filling. If you got a dentist right now, I rock them off a rock out that rass with a chisel hammer. You can't even afford to sit down in one fucking dentist chair. So you're not supposed to go up in anybody's mouth. You cannot afford to not even sit in a dentist chair. Right now, if somebody take out your teeth, you probably go to one whole man in the community and make them use one pliers out for your Dracula one then we have. You can't even afford to go to a dentist, motherfucker. But yet you're paying for people's mouth. You can't even afford. The other day you couldn't even go to a doctor, you couldn't afford. You have a little minor surgery if you do. And you couldn't even afford that $300 have to collect for you go do one procedure. You have to come and beg to do a little procedure. And you come and talk about people where you get medical insurance to go any doctor when you want to go. You're bright. Or get a life, bitch. Good morning, England in the house. Yeah. So so the person who come send it up here a while ago, all you have to do, Me don't want them on my page. When you see me there on my page, I show a movie or me talking. Me don't want it on my page. If you have something that you want to say to me, if you find, all I have to do is to send it in a messenger. Send it in a messenger, me will see it in a messenger. But don't carry it on the front of my page. Because I saw when you wrote it and said somebody post picture with me. And it was deleted fast. All I have to do is to send in a messenger. But not on my front page. So when you see me come out here and you see me start cuss and go on bad, don't say nothing. Don't say nothing. Because look how immature you are. Look how immature you are. You take somebody nostril with mucus in it and me have sinus problem. Look how much every day me a sniff and a sniff and a sniff. The only reason why me not sniff is because I put the peppermint up in my nose hole. And me know say it work when me sniff the peppermint. And you come, you don't have nothing at all to give. Go find something to do. You run out. There is nothing out upon Marcia Campbell. My life is clean. The only thing me do dip upon now because my life is clean. Me live America, my life is clean. You understand? From me pick me up until today, my life is clean. My record is clean. My life is clean. You have nothing for me, bitch. Nothing that can criticize me. You can't criticize my life. As me tell you which part me I live now. When me decide to chill until the winter is over, till me whatever. You cannot criticize me. Because which part me left me I pay 2 times the money than when me used to live before. So bitch, you don't have nothing for me. For my living when me I live comfortable and nice. You understand? So there's nothing that none of you have out upon me if you call me no name. None of you can call me stagnant. None of you can call me homeless. Because me never buy a house yet. Because none of you know we a chat me not pay any money when me I pay for my living. For the rest of night time. None of you now walk in a one building like this. And swipe a key and come in. A card, not key. None of you know we a chat me don't have maid. If you come clean up after you. And none of you know we a chat me don't have a chef making your breakfast a morning time. Go have a seat, bitch, and go live your life. Whether it is temporary or not, none of you we a chat me now live like me at this present moment in a 2024. Me roll in a blood clot 2024 with style. When no things say me no go catch on a body yard. Or things say me no go shelter and things say nothing na go on for me. Me give you no a blood clot 360 bomb in on the fucking face. Cause me no wanna think when I talk to. Don't judge the blood clot book by its cover. We take this thing for. And that's what they think. Oh, one of the things say me never catch a people yard. Oh. Well, me never catch on a blood clot yard, so no couldn't come chat. And when time we no resort, when no say, oh, when no realize how me living, oh, it's welfare paying for it. But when me take the camera and hide the camera and go to the people and on the front desk and ask them if welfare people in here, and the people them say, no, we don't take those things. They did their bun and one did their wonder how is she, oh, one did their horn for check which part me there. And for check up my fucking bill and one say fucking, one say why, oh, she's paying that. And a pussy now sell around here. Oh, so I have bun you. When I can't find nothing for me for chat. And when I say, when I can't find nothing for me for chat about the same old time things every minute, you come a resort to both your take nose hole with mucus in it. And that for in there, come name that blood clot, bitch. Come name it. Come name it. And if me have rotten teeth in my mouth, come suck it out and take it for your vitamin C. And if me have mucus in my nose, come suck it out and take it for your vitamin A. And that if you can do. And that if you can do your big fat sour asshole. You cannot chat nobody. You cannot chat nobody. When you have your big foot, you can't even show your whole body. You can't chat nobody when in the darkness every day. The little bitch ever show herself over there? You depend, yeah? Me support her with me. You ever show yourself? Can you show yourself? Open your mouth and take picture it and show your teeth them. Me not guarantee a false it in your head. You don't even have money to take care of yourself. So me know say your health is very poor. Can you manage the amount of medication we you take right now? If your damn foot then a seize up on you. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? A 3 pill me take. 5 milligram, 110. And me vitamin, me big something the pill. Where you call vitamin D, like a vitamin D. And that me take. You understand? So you come show me. You come put the camera up in your mouth. When last you got a dentist? You know about deep cleaning? You know about dentists? Me got a dentist every 6 months. And every year me get a deep cleaning. You know what a deep cleaning is? You can't afford it. I don't even know if you have an X-ray. I don't even think you have a good toothbrush. You brush look at ass teeth them properly. You can't talk about nobody's nose. You can't talk about nobody's mouth. How much people now open their mouth now you see one black filling in there? How much people? How much? You can't even afford. Right now, me not ask you your mouth full of. If you don't have false teeth, your mouth full of cavity. Full of cavity. You think you're more clean like me? Every meal me name, me brush my teeth. At 3 times a day, me brush my teeth. It depends on what me name. You think you're more clean like me? Eh?